Hey there, it's Susie, otherwise known as Susie Q Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how you can use grids and guides in Photoshop to create a 3x3 grid. This will help you to easily use the rule of thirds in the design of your digital scrapbook layouts. This video is for 8.5 by 11 layouts. If you prefer to scrapbook with 12 by 12 layouts, I do have a video showing the settings for that. Today I'm using Photoshop CS4. This will also work in earlier versions of the program. I've already set up my new 8.5 by 11 document. First thing I want to do is view my grid. So I go to View, Show, Grid, or you can hit Control and the apostrophe on your keyboard. And now you can see that my page has been subdivided in all these little squares. Now I want to adjust where these squares are. So first we're going to adjust our grid so we can set up guides vertically along the page, and then we'll reset it so we can do it across the page that way as well. So go to Edit, Preferences, and then choose Guides, Grid, and Slices. We want a grid line every 8.5 inches with 3 subdivisions. Click OK, and now I have a grid line here and here. There's also some going across this way, but they're not evenly dividing the page into thirds because we don't have a square layout. So our next step is to turn on the rulers. So go to View, Rulers, or hit Control R. And then I want to make sure my snap is turned on. So go to View, Snap, and check that. And then you'll want to make sure that you have your Snap to Grid turned on as well. So we're going to drag out some guides at these 2 lines that are being marked on our grid. So the way to do that is to click in the white space on the ruler and then drag to the right. And then it will snap right on that grid line. You can release and it'll put a nice blue line. This is just visual to help you see. It won't print on your layouts. And then we're going to drag out another one over here at 6 inches. Well, not quite 6 inches. So click in the white space, drag to the right, and it will snap on that grid line, and then release, and you'll have a blue line. Our next step is to change the grid so that we have it divided equally into 3 sections going down our page. So we're going to go to Edit, Preferences, Guides, Grid, and Slices, and change the grid line every 11 inches with still 3 subdivisions. Click OK. And now we've got a faint grid line here and one here. To drag out guides for these, we're going to start at the top ruler, click in the white space, drag down, and when it snaps on that grid line, release, and then repeat. Click in the white area, drag down, release. And now we're going to turn off our grid. So go to View, Show, Grid, and just click on it. So now we just have our layout and we've got it evenly divided into thirds, both directions. These intersections are the best place to put items for the rule of thirds. If you have any questions, please email me at susieqscraps@gmail.com, or you can visit my website at susieqscraps.com.